Hello, everyone. This is the Search Nav and Support Group of the Digital Experience team, and we'll be going through the iteration for the iteration from the 27th of February to the 12th of March. And we're going to start off with the iteration mascot because we love French Bulldogs. And I'm going to start first. For this iteration, I'll be doing a fix in a breakpoint we have in the navigation. I'll be also doing a navigation release, which I think it needs to be early this week for some urgent changes. I'll be also doing a fix in the typography in the dropdown component, which is showing in incorrect color in Safari Mobile. And I'll be also helping in the DevSecOps platform rebranding. We have on the third tier 3 pages, and that'll be for me. Next, it'll be Laura.
Thanks. This iteration, I'll be working on setting up the launch darkly tests, the multivariant tests for each of our navigation versions. So I'll set that up in launch darkly. I'm also going to spend the bulk of the time working on setting up SmartLink for our education page, making sure that that works through our GDN, and trying to mitigate some of the issues that we have found last time that we released a prod. And then I have an issue open for reoccurring failures for artifact uploads. It sounds like we got that mostly figured out last week on Friday, so I'll probably close that out. And that's it for me, and I'll pass it over to John.
Sorry, Laura, I have a question for you. For the A/B test, when are you expecting it to start?
I haven't looked into it, but I can probably set it up tomorrow.
Okay, can you ping like in the digital experience channel and like tag me, Lauren, and Dennis probably like when it starts?
Sure, yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, thank you.
Hello. For this iteration, I'm going to work on fixing the changelog because it is running in non-release weeks. I have the MR ready for that. It is array mesh, sorry. Also, that will allow us to see if the artifact upload in the dab repo is still failing. If not, that also will be closed. I'm going to categorize some cookies in our page. I'm going to check every cookie that we have in a spreadsheet and verify where it comes from and what is the use of the cookie. Finally, I'm going to do the sales page in German. So I'm going to see and check what internationalization options has next for us. Next one is Miracle.
All right. Yeah, I'll read for Miracle. We're going to be, so she's created the GDK cookie, and that is in process of getting review. So now we're going to work on bringing that into the marketing site and using it. And then continue with the tier 2 pages, changing DevOps platform to DevSecOps platform branding. And that will be it for that iteration. And that's gonna wrap it up for the Search Nav and support team.
Oh, I just wanted to include Jess's stuff. So Jess is going to support SNS team with the personalizing navigation on demand base. So she's going to work on some designs there. And then also the product marketing group has quite a bit on their plate. So there might be some spillover from like actual deliverables that might come over to this group as well. But we need to talk that through with Lauren and Justin later today. So there might be a little bit more to pick up for this group later this week.
Cool. Sounds good.
That's it.
All right, you got it, Miguel. Stop that recording.